YouTube family, my junk family, entrepreneurs. What up, though? What's going on? I am Mr. AMG. Keep your eyes on the prize. There are opportunities everywhere you turn when it comes to junk removal. All right. This is for all my newcomers, man. If you just checking the channel out, you're thinking about doing junk removal, or you just started doing junk removal, I got some advice for you. All right. Before you started doing junk removal, the chances are probably high that you rolled past a lot of properties with a lot of trash on the lawn and you thought nothing of it. All right. Now that you're in this field, I want you to keep your eyes on the prize for these opportunities. Okay. I just was headed to get something to eat. I seen a full load sitting on the curb. Somebody must have got evicted. I made a mental note after grabbing my food to drive back down that same street, see if anyone's home. If not, leave my information. I did just that. No one was home, so I took it upon myself to leave a flyer. It's pretty windy where I'm at. Luckily, the screen door on the front was open with a little nail sticking out of it, so I popped it right on top of there. So hopefully, whoever comes back to that property that may own it or have something to do with it sees that, just in case the city doesn't take that, because the city, we do have bulk days, but I'm not sure when bulk day is going to show up. All right, so I want to be the person they call. I want them to call AMG. Now, none of this could happen if I wasn't already being proactive. And this is really what the video is about. I want you to be proactive, man, when you're doing junk removal, okay? And being proactive means having everything together that you need to have together. So I'm not in my work vehicle. I'm in my personal vehicle, but I keep flyers on hand. You know what I mean? So if I had not had flyers, then I would have had to go get some, or just, chalk it up, and that would have possibly been a job that we could have had over here that we didn't get because I wasn't prepared. All right. So you want to be prepared. You want to be proactive when you see things like that. If you're prepared, get out and try to close that deal if somebody there. Don't just ride past money. You're leaving money on the curb. That's the way I look at it. You're leaving money on the curb. And I don't know about you, but I always got a little bit of extra space in my wallet for money. All right. So I want you to be prepared, and I want you to be proactive, because junk removal is like the stock market. It's going to be ups and downs. It's not going to always be consistent. And you will find times where your phone isn't ringing like that. So I want you to be proactive and get out here when your phone is slow, and pass your cards out. Ride up and down some of these streets looking to see what type of opportunity may be there for your company. You never know. Don't just sit on your butt and wait for your phone to call, okay? At least that's my advice. I don't do that. I will get out here and pass out cards. I'm still doing it. I'm never too comfortable. I'm never I'm never satisfied, to be honest. I got a hunger inside of me, and I gotta feed that hunger, and I want you to be the same way if you getting into this junk removal thing right here. So again, be proactive. When you see junk on the curb, don't just ride by it. Stop, knock on the door, and I want you to have your information with you where you can be reached, even if no one's there. You want to be able to lead that. All right. So I just wanted to lead that for you guys, man, because to be honest with you all, I can't recall getting a job from actually doing this. All right. I'm just going to tell you, I can't recall getting a job from doing this, but consistency is key. And I know I'm going to get one day from doing it. Okay. So I've done this many a times, and I can't say offhand I've landed a job just from that. But hey, the opportunity is there for me to possibly land that job. So I'm going to take that up. I'm going to look at it as an opportunity, whether I get it or not, man. So I just want to leave that with you guys, man. That's getting into the junk removal thing, man. You might just be getting started, man, and you might be riding past some stuff, and you might not know how to go about doing it. You might be a little intimidated on just knocking on somebody's door, or whatever the case may be. Don't be intimidated, okay? The worst thing somebody can do is tell you that they can't afford that service or they're not even home. All right, but make sure you're prepared. All right, so if they are, you got your pricing right, you got your cards, your flyers, and you can actually take care of that job if they wanted you to take care of that job. I'm gonna check y'all out on the next video. Peace.